Hello gurus, how are you? Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I was right about the drop. If you followed my videos 3 days ago, I warned all of you that I think Bitcoin is going to drop. I sold Bitcoin, I sold my alts, and that was 4 days ago actually, and that played out exactly as I said. Bitcoin dropped very heavily after that. I think we're going to find support at $25,000. I'm going to show you in that video. Comment down below, did you take my warning video? Are you turning on that bell notification so you're notified of every video? Are you subscribed? Comment down below. Did you listen to my warning and get out of Bitcoin 4 days ago before this big drop and before this annihilation of alts? I warned everyone live and I showed getting out of the alts. And anyone that's trading, make sure you're taking the Crypto Guru Master Course. The link is in the description. I teach you for 12 hours how to trade, how to set up charts, how to set up the bots, and how to do what I'm showing you. Make sure you've taken the course before you do anything, because if you don't, you're most likely going to lose money. You need to learn how to trade before you start trading. If you're doing it without taking the course, you're just gambling. So be very careful of that. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dropped Bitcoin's dropped very strongly, and it's wiping out the alts as well. IDEX down 5%, Bitcoin 2%, Ethereum 2%, Uni 1.8%. They just got hammered. BNB down to $300. That was at 1 month ago. It was $350. SMR down. Palantir, MCRT holding strong at 2222. Which is interesting. The rest of the market just dropped. Every other FXS is up a little bit, 3%, holding also. Let's go into Bitcoin. And I warned about this in the last few days of my videos. I've been telling everyone that I think we're gonna drop. Monthly, we're turning down, which is not good. Weekly, we're turning down very strongly. The Crypto Guru bot is still showing a blue on the weekly, but on the daily, it's flipped to a sell 2 days ago. Here is when it flipped to a buy. You can see here, it flipped to a buy when it turned blue. The Crypto Guru bot at 16K, it flipped to a blue buy. Then it went all the way to 25, and then it flipped to a sell for a few days, and then it pushed up to 30, went back to a blue buy, went to 30, and 2 days ago it flipped to a red sell. Look at this. 2 days ago it flipped to a red sell. You get the Crypto Guru bot in the Crypto Master Course. The link is in the description of this video. Now, to continue this Elliott wave pattern, this 1, 2, 3, 4 wave, the fifth wave, we need to hold this blue line. Bitcoin needs to hold 25,200. And I warned in my video that this is where I think we're going to be going to, and this is where I expect a strong bounce. And that is playing out a few days later. We're coming down here 4 hourly, very oversold. We have a little bit of support here, but not much support. It's a little bit of support here. So I do think 25K is this main area of support. Why? Because you can see when we came off the bottom, we had this was a strong area of support here. This was a strong area of support here. So we have a little bit of support. We have a strong support at that 25K. That's where I'm going to flip to long. On the 4 hourly, also very oversold. Volume is starting to pick up. On the hourly, also very oversold. But again, I would be going long at this blue line that I've been talking about for the last week. This is where I would go long on Bitcoin. 25K, stop loss at 24,000. Let's give it a bit more room. We don't want to get just spiked out, so let's give it a bit more room on the stop loss, say to here, and take profit is at that green line. So this is the risk reward ratio to opening the trade 25,300, stop loss at 24,400, and take profit at 35,000. 11 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $878 to make $9,763 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be $97,000. But again, don't use more than 3x leverage until you're a good trader. After you've taken the Crypto Master Course, after you've read the book, the technical analysis for the financial markets, then you can increase your leverage. But before that, be very careful putting very big leverage without being really good trader. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. On the hourly, very oversold here. I mean, it could get a spike, but I still think it's going to fade down to this 25K area because that's where the strong support is. So that's where I would be going long. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under this video, in the description of the video, where is it? Under the video, go down below, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get 500 likes on this video, everyone. Hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe. Let's get to 80,000 subscribers. Turn on this bell notification. and click the join button if you want to be notified of my trades. Yesterday I also closed some stocks. I always share my stock trades on that join button. And you can get a $30,000 bonus with Bybit, and you can get a $600 bonus with Binance if you trade on those. And you can also, and this is the crypto mastercourse, you can take it and learn, jamescryptoguru.com. That's where you can take the crypto mastercourse and join the free Telegram. There's 8,400 of you in here, and inside that Telegram, I warned everyone. I've been warning everyone for so here I show this 8,500 of you in here now. It's for free. Crypto Guru alerts. 8,500 of you are in here, and this was Bitcoin 15 hours later. I warned on Twitter. So on Twitter, I warned about 16 hours ago. Close Bitcoin long, only $90 in profit. I think it's going to go to break and come down to 25K. I made that warning at 27,000, and 15 hours later we are here, and I shared it inside the Telegram, the free Crypto Guru alerts. And fourth trade following James, 3 perfect so far. Let's hope 25 hits. And this guy, James, can you give me the best? There was guys that made a lot of money on that trade. This guy made 1,200 shorting Pepe. Wait, I've got a screenshot of it here. This guy, he said, thanks, James. He made $9,000 shorting Bitcoin, $9,078 profit. $30,000 also shorting Bitcoin, which these two guys made a lot of money. This guy made a lot of money. I have to say I was quite surprised when you closed your long, as I had a very similar setup and I kept it open. However, you were right again, my brother. You really are the deal. I should have listened. Thank you, Stephen. And I didn't want to close my trades. If you followed my video 4 days ago, here, it was 4 days ago I mentioned it. I was giving warnings, a lot of warnings. This is when I closed my trade, but about 4 days ago, I gave a big warning. I want to show this warning. Where is it? 4 days ago, here. Bitcoin warning. Wait, where is it? Here. And in this video, so this was 3 days ago, Bitcoin and crypto trade warning. Whenever I do these yellow warning alerts, pay attention, everyone. And here is where I start closing everything. Pumping. So it's at the end of the run, in my opinion. I'm going to close positions. Unfortunately, everyone, I'm getting out of my positions. So Bitcoin, I've got 4 Bitcoin here. I'm selling it. So I'm selling my Bitcoin right now. Sell 4 Bitcoin. This was at 28,000? $120,000 almost in profits. I made a lot of profits as well, so I want to lock it in. So I'm selling my $120,000 worth of Bitcoin. It's selling now. I put 4 Bitcoin for sale. Let's see how long it takes to execute that trade. It's not yet sell. I also sold alt. 2.2 Bitcoin sold of the 4. It's dumping more. And 9 Bitcoin has closed. That's $120,000. I just sold of Bitcoin. MCRT I keep because it's my project. It's very cheap in my opinion. Ton I'm closing. I'm selling ton. $20,000 worth. And that was 4 days ago. That's why I recommend joining this the Telegram. It's a free Crypto Guru alerts. 8,500 of you in there, and you can find the link to the Telegram in the description of the video, and take the course so you learn how to do it in the description, and take the crypto master course so you learn what I'm doing. I'm trading on these exchanges, Binance and Bybit. So that's my update on Bitcoin. I'll be going long from 25K. Hopefully we're getting a little bit of a bounce here, but I really think we're going to be coming down to 25K. I've already got my trade set up on Bybit. So I've already got this trade setup set. I've got a Bitcoin trade. I've got 3.5 Bitcoin trade set at 25,281, and I've got a 12 Ethereum trade set at 1,700. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my updates. Make sure you've taken the crypto master course down there if you want to learn technical analysis, how to set up the charts like I showed you, how to set up the bot, jamescryptoguru.com. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.